got the M2 beside me.
I told my soldiers suit up, go to war, let's show 'em we not playing. Slip up on these niggas, hit that cutlass like this how we change them. Bullets I sling them, we don't shoot far, we get up close and bang. I think we flame them, think we face range, we turn the boys aim.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? We're back with another YouTube video, man. So today I'm doing a different type of video. I'm gonna be doing where it's no burbles at all, just pure raw exhaust sound. So y'all just gonna be hearing pure raw B58 straight pipe. So I saw a couple people say they would like the idea. I mentioned it in the previous video, so I saw a couple people say that they would enjoy it and they would like that, so I'm gonna definitely be doing that now. So hopefully y'all can enjoy this video and y'all can hear it well. Hopefully y'all can hear it well, because I don't know, the camera doesn't pick it up way too well here in the turbo on the camera, but in person you can hear it amazing. Like, you can hear it a lot, even though I'm not upgraded turbo or nothing. But yeah, man, so hopefully y'all can enjoy this video. I want to say I appreciate y'all so much for all the recent support, man. My last like 3 or 4 videos have gone over like 2K views, and like I'm just so thankful and I'm so grateful, and just thank you guys so much, because I'm trying to do really good on YouTube. My bad, I have been inconsistent. I didn't upload in like 2 weeks, and I tried to upload, but it's been raining a lot this whole week, so I haven't felt like driving. And then I was in the middle of the highway once a little bit ago, like about a week or 2 ago, and I was racing a scat pack, and we was going over like 150 in a Settle Corsa, of course, and my bumper literally snapped off. Like the hook, the side hook, I mean the side screw literally fell off, and then the whole bumper started coming out with it because of the wind, so because the high speed. And so my whole bumper literally messed up. So I got so like dismotivated, and I was so mad and annoyed, and it just really had made me so mad, and I was upset. But you know, it's things that happen. So now we've upgraded the rear bumper to an M Sport bumper, so maybe I'll show you that, guys, that. And I'm just waiting for my rear diffuser to come in, and then I need some exhaust tips. I want some bigger exhaust tips, so I'm waiting on all that to come in. So I'm definitely so excited for all that. I think little Q right there. But yeah, man, so I can't wait. Right now about to go drive real quick to get some Chick-fil-A, and then I'm going to my girlfriend's lunch break, so we're headed over there right now. Then I'll give y'all some little POV drives on the way there and on the way back, while I'm on the way back home. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. We about to get started driving now. So no burbles this video, no nothing, just pure exhaust only. Dead cannot see. Okay. Might sound better with with the window down, especially right here, because it's a lot of wind. Yo, the car sounds mad loud right now. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know why. That's crazy. It sounds good though, I ain't gonna lie, I like it. My gosh, them shift wraps, bro. One of my favorite things about this, the whole tune of the car, everything. Oh, my rear lights are on pink right now, so I hope I don't run into a cop or not. I don't feel like switching them right now to a different color, but I did just recently get pulled over. I literally have court this month actually for my tail lights and for my front windshield tint and for no front license plate. But it's alright, we're gonna get that all taken care of. Turbo definitely sounds way crazier when you downshift. Like, it sounds a lot. Like, you can hear it a lot when I downshift. Maybe I'll get y'all a little bit right here under this tunnel. Like, y'all can hear a little tiny bit right here. A little bit. And I don't know, it couldn't that much. I forgot to change these lights, bro. I'm not trying to have these on. I forgot to swap them to another one. I got y'all in a little bit when I stop right here to get this food, though. We got the M2 beside me. Wait, I know this M2 though, so. Alright, that's the only burbles right there. Just because I know that M2, they in my neighborhood. They cool ass people. They cool people. But yeah, man. Now we go back to the raw exhaust sounds. I was finna pass them, but I didn't think they were gonna speed up by the tunnel, so I wasn't gonna pass them, but I was gonna do burbles like right beside them. But they ended up going a little faster. So, but yeah, they cool people though. They cool people. So I like that M2. too. That color is hella nice, bro. It's like, I think a Nardo gray or a Brooklyn gray, whatever, really gray. It's really nice, bro. I don't be knowing my colors like that for real, as much as I should, for real, for real. But right here's a 25, so let me not speed, man. What? There do be cops sitting here. This thing sounds fucking crazy, bro. I don't know, I haven't driven in a little minute, so I'm not gonna lie, this feels low-key hella crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I forgot I had to turn right here. I'm so slow.